Welcome to the Creativity Top 5. At number 5, Under Armour debuts its most expensive campaign to date, starring Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson as motivator to the masses and created out of Droga 5, New York.
On yourself, till they focus on you. Or Juana's way.
Why be one champ when I want to be two?
Be like Yusra. Let nothing
Syrian refugee pulls boat to safety.
destroy your dreams.
Screw fate. At number 4, Coca-Cola personified 23 Chinese cities in playful limited edition cans featuring designs by Noma Bar. At number 3, online security firm UpperSafe and French agency Heresy looked into the lives of various people through webcams that were streaming on public websites, and then sent them creepy presents to show them how accessible their lives were to strangers.
Over the period of a week, we browsed various free hacking websites and were able to observe 20 everyday lives 24/7. Some are pretty clumsy. We saw their dog playing with a punctured ball. We also know when they need to go food shopping. We even know that they do keep fit exercises to charge their phone. Well, we decided to introduce ourselves by sending them a very special gift. For the dog who plays with the punctured ball, we sent him a brand new one. For a clumsy waiter, we sent him a new glass. For the woman who threw her ketchup away, we sent her some more. For the young girl whose charge was too short, we sent her a 3 times longer one. In just one scroll, we found the IP address providing the exact GPS position of each hacked camera, so we could deliver our gifts to all of them, and even see some unwrapping them. Here are some of the reactions from the 8 people who accepted to be featured.
UpperSafe, bonjour.
Si vous avez, il y avait votre numéro sur la boîte.
Bonjour, j'ai reçu votre colis, j'ai la veste entre les mains.
Je suis un peu inquiète de recevoir cette boîte.
Donc en gros, tout le monde peut voir ma caméra.
If we can see you, many others too. Hide yourself with UpperSafe.
At number 2, Ikea takes a chance on music with Frekvens, a new sound system developed with Swedish cult electronics firm Teenage Engineering. And at number 1, Uniqlo teamed with Solange on her latest performance art piece, Metatronia. The idea dovetails with the retailer's movement-themed branding and featured dancers wearing Uniqlo clothing. It was shot at the Armour Museum and conceived out of Droga 5, London. That's it for the top 5. Check out more of the best ideas in brand creativity at creativity-online.com.